Good evening, everyone. I am Brianna Davis, and I am here to inform you guys about why it is important to know about lupus. So, what is systematic lupus, or most commonly known as lupus? Lupus is a chronic, long-term autoimmune disease which causes inflammation and pain in any parts of the body. People with lupus may suffer from fatigue, fever, and rashes. And when I say rashes, I can show you my own because this is my hand. That is the lupus rash. You probably can't really see it, but it's on my hands. And you can also develop a butterfly rash right here around your face. So that's what they mean by rashes. It can be anywhere on your body. Lupus mostly affects your skin, joints, and internal organs. Having lupus since an age I can remember, I'm going to teach you guys some key aspects about lupus. Today I will inform you on 3 things on why it is important to know about lupus and to understand what lupus is. Who does lupus affect the most? Why there is no cure and how flare-ups come about. First you need to know who is at risk. So who does lupus actually affect the most, you say? Anyone can develop lupus, but certain people are at a higher risk than others. Did you know 9 out of 10 people with lupus are women from ages 15 to 44? Lupus is more common in African Americans, Hispanic, and Asian Americans. As many as 1 in every 250 African Americans, will develop lupus. So now that you know who is at risk, we can talk about how that affects them. So, how do flare-ups come about? A flare-up is when the symptoms of lupus worsen and you become ill, like very ill. You can barely get out of the bed because your body is in so much pain. There are many triggers that can cause a flare-up, like emotional stress, dealing with things like death in the family or divorce. Also, physical stress to the body and other known triggers such as infections, colds, or viral illnesses can cause a flare-up. When a lupus flare-up is active, it is caused by inflammation in an organ or organ system. The body is doing a flare-up. So during a flare-up, the body can't tell the difference between foreign invaders and the body's healthy tissues, meaning that the body's immune system is literally attacking itself because it doesn't know which one is healthy and which one is not. Now that I have informed you about who is at risk and how flare-ups come about, it's time to understand why there's no cure for lupus. There's no cure for lupus. Living with lupus is treatment and care. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are used to control the symptoms and minimize flare-ups. Drugs such as naproxen is widely used with lupus. You can buy over-the-counter ibuprofen. You can also take, even though it says non-steroidal drugs, but for your skin, you can take steroid drugs. And to reduce flare-ups, you can avoid being in the sun, and you must have a proper diet. When dealing with lupus, you have to work out, you have to diet. The cause of lupus is unknown, that's why there is no cure. In most cases, the cause of lupus is unknown. However, it likely results from genetics and your environment. Environment meaning, like I just said, the sun, the air pollution, anything can cause lupus. Now that I just gave you a lot of information, let's recap. I have told you who is at risk. I have told you how flare-ups come about. I have told you why there is no cure and what it's like living with lupus. Now that you know about lupus, will you inform others as well?